Hello dear traders, you are watching Economic Calendar on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. On the last 2 days of the current trading week, the following reports will become the key economic events. On Thursday, the United Kingdom will reveal its GDP data for the fourth quarter 2015. The flash growth of 0.5% compared to third quarter and 1.9% compared to fourth quarter 2014 is expected to meet the actual reading. The preliminary data came out in January and coincided with forecasts. In the third quarter of 2015, the British GDP advanced by 0.4% on a quarterly basis and by 2.1% in annual terms. In 2015, in general, the country's economy expanded by 2.2%, slowing down its growth in comparison with 2014, when it grew by 2.9%. GDP growth in the last quarter of the previous year is mainly linked to the services sector. Meanwhile, industrial production, along with construction output, declined in the reporting period. On Thursday as well, the United States will publish its statistics on durable goods orders for January. Analysts predict the rise of 2.6% compared to the preceding month, when a sharp tumble of 5.1% was reported. It was the deepest decline since August 2014. Experts had not anticipated such a drop, supposing only a mere fall of 0.1%. Excluding transportation equipment, core durable goods orders decreased by 1.2% against expectations for the 0.1% drop. On Friday, the United States will provide another important report unveiling its economic growth rate in the fourth quarter. Economic forecasts suppose that quarterly growth in GDP will make up 0.5% in the given period. According to preliminary data, the U.S. economy advanced by 0.7% sequentially in the fourth quarter of the last year. In 2015, in general, the U.S. economy grew by 2.4%. Consumer spending, that makes up almost 70% of the U.S. GDP, increased by 2.2% in October to December, exceeding forecasts. Still, the growth was weaker than the rise reported in the third quarter. The U.S. Federal Reserve points to the worsening economic situation in the country. The regulator believes that low inflation growth rates will persist for a long time. The U.S. Central Bank is most likely to slow down the process of rates hiking in comparison with the plan announced earlier. Besides, the following events might influence core dynamics at the end of the week. On Thursday, Australia will report on private capital expenditure. The Eurozone will provide revised data on inflation, and the US will disclose its unemployment claim statistics. On Friday, New Zealand will unveil its trade balance data. Japan will release its inflation report. Germany will publish inflation statistics as well. The US will end the trading week with the release of consumer spending and consumer confidence data. You have watched Economic Calendar prepared for you by InstаФорекс TV channel. See you later.